Hi friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Samullah Khan 92. Today my video is about the standing mirror which you can see in the pictures to how to fix it. So this is the mirror I buy from the market. It's not an expensive mirror, but why I make a video for this to make it easy how you will fix it. There are two vertical columns given in the mirror. One which I hold, this is the horizontal base which fix the two vertical columns together, and these are the accessories given in this mirror. You can see this. These are the wheels of the mirror which will be fixed here. You can see in the picture there from the downside, which can easily move this, and this is the base which connect two vertical columns together. So these accessories, with these accessories we will fit all this together. You can see here one by one how this is the fissure given. So let's start how to fix this mirror. So first we can start from the wheel. You can take a wheel and there is a nut given. So we will put this wheel inside the channel of the inside the base channel of the vertical column, and fix this from inside the nut. So nut will be fixed from the inside. You can see just like this. So you can fix one by one these wheels. I fix already this one. You can make it tight with the spanner, or I make tight this one with the hand. Easily, it will be easily you can do it by hand also. No need for any tool. If you want to make more torque, make it more fixed, then you can use the spanner also. So this is the way how to fix your wheels one by one. I fix all the four wheels in this one. You see this another one I fix now. So you have to fix the wheel first. So fix all the wheels, all the four wheels. You can see in this I fix all the four wheels in both the vertical columns. Now this base will connect both the vertical columns together. What we need for this I will show you. Just put this here, and from another side this need the fissures also, these small fissures. You can see you can put this one fissures from the sides. You see here it's a hole. It's not easy to put. If you maybe sometime you need hammer, some you can put this inside. The holes are not good, so I make it proper with this my screwdriver to make it make the hole big. So from all the four sides you put these fissures. After fixing the fissures in this, you need to fix it with the vertical column with the screw, with the help of screw. When you put screw inside, it will you see this, just I put, it's very easy by hand. You can do this one. So these all fissures are fixed. So after fixing, this screw will come here. The screws are given in this. So you can see this vertical column. Just hold your fissure in this hole, and put one screw from the other side. There is a fissure also given from the side, so you put a fissure and washer is given also. These washers are used from the side, which hold this easily. You can see I put one washer on the screw, which is given with the accessories. So this is the washer. So you can make it tight with the screwdriver. And this for this you need screwdriver, a star screwdriver. One side is fixed already, and now I'm fixing another one. From the other side you can fix the same way with the screw, and put fissure in the screw and put washer in the screw and fix it. You can see now our base is ready. So, what's the next? Put the screw, and put fissure in the screw, and fix it. You can see now our base is ready. Our base is ready now. So what's the next? Put These parts are remaining, that's why I am sharing with you this video, because I am also confused sometimes. So these parts I missed from the start, just this from the side for the wheel. You can see I put the nut inside, because the channel is open from the one side, so you can put this inside, and nut is already inside, you can see. So you fix it by hand, no need for anything. And this nut is coming inside, and now you can fix your wheel from the downside by hand. This, see, it's very easy. This is the way to fix your wheel inside the channel. Put this one by one. This I miss this one part before in the video, so I make it again for you. So you can fix your wheel like this. Just once again I show you. This is the piece. You can put your nut inside that, and after that you put this in the channel, base channel. There is a space in the base channel, same size. So you can put this in the you see this, and there is a hole. The nut will come in the center of the hole, and after that you fix your wheel in this hole. It's very easy. Just you can see this by hand I do this all. No need any tool for this one. You can easily install. Before, shopkeeper is not giving me this because he told me it's not easy to install. People bring it back to us. That's why we are not giving in the cartoon. So you can buy this complete set already ready to use. But I told him I just give me this mirror, I will make it, no issue. So I make this for all of you. It's easy for you people to make it by yourself at home easily. You just watch this video one time, and it's very easy for you to fix this mirror. So our stand is ready now. Just remaining is the mirror itself. So this is the mirror. We will fix this mirror in this frame now. It's very easy, and this is the last step of our video. There is one hole given here, and this is the position given for adjustment. One is a fixed bolt, and another one is the adjustable bolt. So the downside is adjustable bolt, and the top one is fixed bolt. So this is the bolt given for easily. This head will be if we use this head, it's easy to use this head. So this you can fix from the top and from the other side, and this is the downside adjustable. You can make it loose a bit, no need to make it full tight, because this is for the adjustment. And this one you can put fix, and this is the adjustable. You can just show you this. See, this is movable. You can adjust the mirror on which position you want to use this one, and this is a good mirror. So that's all about the installation of this mirror. So thanks for watching my video. Like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.